Demonstration of the prototype vehicle-to-vehicle communication module. Problem to be solved. To design and demonstrate a global positioning system based transceiver module, we are using ZigBee 2.4 GHz license-free band to establish vehicle-to-vehicle wireless communication link and prevent collision of the vehicles, that is accidents, by alerting the driver with direction of threat by blinking the LEDs and buzzer. Literature survey done by the team found that in a typical Indian scenario, during travel, the mobile networks or Wi-Fi or any roadside sensors or GPS or GSM networks or any wireless communication networks are neither reliable nor consistent or not available in India. So we are looking forward to design a system, a robust and reliable system which can alert the driver before collision and prevent the accident. In programming part, following algorithm is followed. Initially, GPS data is taken in NMEA format, that is National Marine Electronics Association, and then Cartesian coordinate, that is x1 y1 of the vehicle v1 is calculated with appropriate degree to radian and radian to degree conversion, and that those coordinates have to be transmitted every 2 seconds. Meanwhile, it should have a receive interrupt in order to receive the coordinates from other vehicle v2, that is x2 y2, and it should analyze, that is to compare and calculate distance and angle. An appropriate direction of threat should be highlighted. Initially, here we can see front, right, left, rear and buzz, which are been initialized to the port 1 pins. Here these are the outputs for directional LEDs. In the main program, timer 1 mode 2 is initialized and baud rate is set to 9600, that is in HexFD, and we are calling get GPS initially in order to extract the latitude and longitude values, and port 1 is also initialized to 0, that is output. In the get GPS function call, we are wait to receive and the GPS continuously sends data, and we check for $GPGGA characters. If those characters come, then we are extracting latitude and longitude values and stored in an array. And later the receive interrupt is made 0, as we can see further, and thus they are stored, and later it's the end of the x and y coordinates. Digits are transmitted one by one, and adding 30, that is in ASCII value. In SBUF register, the value to be transmitted is placed, and we wait until transmitted. In receive interrupt service routine, we are waiting till the digits are received. Total 6 digits, that is 3 x coordinates and 3 y coordinates, are received, and 30 is subtracted, that is from ASCII to string, and we are converting those values back to base 10 digits by multiplying by 100, 10 and 1, and they are placed in a port 3 and port 2 in order to check whether the receive coordinates are correct. And later we are going to analyze function. In the analyze function, the vehicle has its other vehicle coordinates and its own coordinates, so angle is calculated and distance is also calculated. If the distance is less than the threshold, then the vehicle coordinates compares it with the previous position, and as mentioned in direction of threat logic, those values are sent to the function called FUNC with appropriate cases. In this function, direction of threat is determined as explained through the logic. Here the angle is compared first, and front is determined in the first case, and then coordinates are compared, then right or left is determined. In other cases, first the right or left is determined after comparing angle, and then a front or rear is determined by coordinates. Similarly, the 4 cases have been shown here. The program is executed, and the output can be seen in the serial window, where for every 2 seconds the coordinates are transmitted. As the vehicle covers the distance, the coordinates are transmitted. GPS reference plane. They are graphically denoted by y-axis and x-axis. Scale is in meters. 1 centimeter equal to 1 meters. This is latitude, and that is equatorial plane, x-axis, and y-axis denoted by longitude, that is prime meridian. So here we have the position of V1 and V2 here, and this is a path traced by the V1 and this is a path traced by V2, and we have say a triangular arena. So during course of its journey it transmits the coordinates every 2 seconds. Similarly, the vehicle V2 transmits its coordinates every 2 seconds. So when the distance, when it traverses the path, when the distance between two vehicles is about 1 meter, that is threshold set, shortest distance, then alert is given in form of blinking LEDs and buzzer. Advantages of a solution. This module is portable and small in size and can be easily embedded into existing vehicles, and is user friendly, wherein the user is to just supply the power supply, and also it's a low power, only 5-volt regular supply is to be provided, and it's cost effective, that is just 3,200 Indian rupees, and further when final product is done, then the cost will be still less. Conclusion and future work. We have implemented and tested this idea as discussed in the last few slides, and also we find it is found to be more superior in terms of power, infrastructure, cost, etc. We have done programming for traffic signal monitoring in MATLAB, and we're planning to integrate in the final version of a product. We are also planning to add a rescue operation facility, wherein in case accident happens, then a message is sent to the nearest police station with the location of the accident, vehicle number, etc. After adding about 2 add-ons with some more study and survey, we are planning to patent our idea in the near future.